Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. This video we're going to have a look at the new build of Windows 10 for Windows Insiders. This is build 11102, which is a Redstone release, and you can get this if you're on the Windows Insider program. Now, the last couple of builds haven't had any new features, but this one has one new feature in Microsoft Edge, and that is history on the back and the forward button. So in Edge here, if I right click or tap and hold on the back button, you can see there the history of the pages that we've been on. So I can go onto that one and that'll select that page. But the list isn't exactly working as it should do, because that in this case should select the podcast page. Oh, it has done there eventually. Okay, so there you go. So that's how it works. You can tap and hold or right click and select the page from the history that you've been in. You can go to the history sidebar from there, or you can use this one up there, but that's the new feature. So it's quite handy if you just want to get back to something you were previously on, and you can just tap and hold and then go back like that. So that's the new feature. There isn't any other really new features. There are a few issues which I'll include a link to the blog post that did this. There's some issues with graphics. Resolution changes causing a crash. It affects games like Tomb Raider and Assassin's Creed, and magnifier may crash in this build. If you may see an error that says WS Client DLL error, and there's a fix for that. And your wireless card may not work, and you might have to get an updated driver. But these are issues that you can see along with the blog post. One thing that you can actually see that also is missing is the connect button is off on there now. So there used to be a connect button there for connecting to DLNA, Miracast, that kind of thing. That's disappeared, and that is actually a bug, so that should come back. So that really is it for changes in this build. There's not a huge amount. This is build 11102 of a Redstone, and hopefully we'll see some more features coming in over the next few builds. And you can look back at any of the previous Windows Insider fast and slow, mainly fast. So you can go back and look at any of the previous builds of Windows 10 on the fast ring, the videos that I've done on our YouTube channel. You can follow me at ISDixon on Twitter and on thedigital-lifestyle.com, and we've got lots of tips, news and Windows 10 information. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.